Whoever said that the role of a woman is cooking? Some guys are very angry with me now. The wish of a dying man by name Isaac is for his son to cook for him, not his wife. Listen, the man is the teacher. He is designed to teach his wife how to take care of him. You don't know how to cook the food you like. You expect her to know how to cook the food you like. What's your problem? And you are angry with her that she cannot cook the one you like. You cannot cook the one you like. You are the confused person here. You don't know what you like. Cook it. Show her how to cook it. When she learns it, you cannot delegate the job. Because as a leader, your job is to delegate to your wife what you want her to help you with.